Well, it's our biggest short. You can't really tell what a stock is going to do day to day. I did predict for Yahoo Finance viewers on both March 15th and March 1st that the quarter was going to be a disaster and that it was going to be even worse than expected. What you have with Tesla is a lot of retail investors. You've had some big mutual funds like T. Rowe Price, which was the third biggest shareholder other than Elon Musk. They sold almost all their stock in the first quarter. And according to data like from the Robinhood app, for example, there are millions of retail investors in this stock. So how quickly they react is a little bit up in the air, but ultimately the stock ends up going to the same place.
Gabe, talk to me about some of the logistical challenges that face the company. This is something that we have been talking about a lot when it comes to Tesla, more recently with the Model 3. But that's not all. They obviously have other problems as well. What is the biggest issue that you think is facing Tesla at this point?
Well, the biggest issue for the stock is that Elon Musk, basically the lying magician, is not able to tell investors anymore, okay, or his cult followers, okay, here's this bright, shining object in the future, like a Tesla Semi or like a million robo-taxis like he was saying yesterday, or like an auto insurance company a month from now, like he said on the conference call. Just blatant lies. People have stopped believing them. They're starting to focus on the actual business, and the business has completely collapsed. Demand has declined very significantly in the U.S., and even when people knew the units number, because they disclosed that on April 3rd, the company still missed the revenue number by 11% because the pricing has gone down so much to move metal.
Gabe, do you think that the management team should be taking a more aggressive approach to cost cutting at this point?
To be perfectly frank with you, Tesla's balance sheet right now, by basic financial ratios like the quick and the current ratio, which any first-year finance or accounting student learns, they're in worse shape than General Motors was 6 months before bankruptcy. I believe Tesla needs to file bankruptcy to even have a chance at continuing their business. I mean, people report or they discuss a 2.2 billion cash number, but remember that about 750 million of that doesn't actually belong to Tesla. It belongs to their customers. Tesla only has a little bit over $1 billion for cash. They went through over $1 billion cash during the quarter, and they've got a massive debt pile of $9.8 billion. There's simply, I believe, no light at the end of the tunnel for these guys, and I believe the stock will collapse and may collapse very soon.
All right, Gabe Hoffman, thanks so much for joining the show today.
Thanks. Take care.